YouTube, what's good? This is Mango392 back at it with another video. This video that I'm about to show you is something a little different. I've never done before. Just a little, I guess you would say, trial and error. But anyway, this video goes back a couple of weeks, back to July 4th when me and the missus went to Los Angeles. So anyway, I'm not going to spoil the surprise because I want you guys to watch the video. Just shows a day that we just spent out in LA, and we just had a really good time. But in this video, it's a surprise. I think you guys will like it. So sit back, relax, get some popcorn, get your favorite drink, and enjoy. It's going to be a little bit long, but I think it'll be well worth your time. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red button if you haven't already, and go ahead and click that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video or even when I go live. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.
Whatever it is, I've got just the cure for it.
All right, guys, so I'm here at Los Angeles Christ CDJR. As you know, I took a little trip here from San Diego just to get away and, just celebrate some quality time with the missus. And I'm here at LA CDJR, and I had to stop by and see this beast right here. So tell me what you guys think. All right, guys, so there you seen it. Mr. Organic's truck is up there. It's on the showroom floor, but it doesn't have a for sale sign on it yet. But as you can see, man, they got everything up in there. I just got a little bit of merch from them. I think my next purchase will be from LA CDJR. So the truck is sick in person, man. I've seen it on video so many times, but the truck is so sick in person. It looks real good. But anyway, guys, if you're in the LA area, just come up here to LA CDJR. I hope you catch it in time. It looks crazy, man. But anyway, come up here, man. They'll take care of you for whatever Dodge products you need. I'm just undecided yet on what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna mod my car a little bit more and probably wait for the redesign in 2023. But they're real nice up in there. Like Tall Guy and Mr. Organic says, they'll come in there, they'll take care of you, and make sure you're good to go. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, here's my last stop right here. As you can see, I'm standing in front of Tall Guy Car Reviews and Mr. Organic apartment. It's nice, very nice. There it is. Of course, you see the sign. I don't need to explain what that means. All right, guys, so that was my trip here to LA. I normally don't do these type of vlogs, but I was like, why not? As you can see behind me, where is it at? There it is, Staples Center, home of LeBron, Lakers, and the Clippers. But anyway, I just wanted to come out here, man, because this was my bucket list, you know, to come back out here and you know, just show people you know, that you could do things if you put your mind to it. And, you know, two of my favorite YouTubers back there have shown all of us that anything could be done if you just put your mind to it and you don't give up, man. There's gonna be times where things may not go your way, but you get back up and you keep pushing. And that's, you know, one of the reasons why those two guys, you know, inspire me to keep pushing every day. And it's funny because I was just talking with my wife, and I'm, you know, right behind here in Staples Center. And 2-3 years ago, you know, I was talking with one of my sons, and I was like, yo, we got to get back to the Staples Center, you know, to see the Lakers play, in particular Kobe. But at that time he retired, and then, you know, rest in peace to him, his daughter, and the 7 other victims that were, you know, in that tragic accident. You know, Kobe passed. But now that we're dealing with this, you know, pandemic, I don't even know when the next time I'm gonna be able to go into the Staples Center just to see my favorite team play. So it's crazy, but I'm here to say, man, guys, live your life to the fullest. You never know when it's gonna end. And we're dealing with this pandemic, which is probably gonna shut the states down once again for a second time, man. Live your life to the fullest. You know, I took my wife out, you know, from San Diego, and we came here to LA just to get away, you know, amidst of what's going on with the pandemic. But we were still able to get away. I was still able to, you know, visit LA, CDJR, and also, you know, walk by and see where Tall Guy Car Reviews and Mr. Organic stays at. So you guys, man, just live your life to the fullest, man. You never know. And, you know, it was crazy, like I said, just being here and looking at the Staples Center and not knowing when the next time I'm gonna be able to, you know, step foot in that stadium and watch my team play. So live your life to the fullest. You see in the background, Tall Guy Car Reviews, Mr. Organic. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep inspiring people. No matter what people say, you're inspiring hundreds and thousands of people, and I appreciate it, and you're inspiring me. But anyway, guys, that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something different than what I've been doing. I got different videos coming up because when I get back to San Diego, I have mods that should be coming to my door that I'm doing to the car, so I'm excited for that. But anyway, guys, live your life to the fullest. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscription button, and then also hit that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video. Until then, guys, take it easy, live your life to the fullest, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.